Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Empower Personal Dashboard for Investments, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Empower website. Once the website loads, look for the download section on the homepage. Click on the download link to access the download options. You will be directed to a page with information about the Empower Personal Dashboard. Here, you can review the features and benefits of the application. Scroll down until you find the download button. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the download. If prompted, select Yes or Download to continue. Once the file has downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Empower Personal Dashboard installation file. Double-click on the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions before you can continue. Select the installation location or accept the default setting. Click Install to begin the installation. The installation process will take a few moments. Once finished, click Finish to exit the installer. Next, locate the Empower Personal Dashboard icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the icon to launch the application. You may need to create an account or log in if you have existing credentials. Follow the prompts to set up your account for investment tracking. After logging in, you can explore the various features available in the Empower Personal Dashboard. Now you are ready to start managing your investments effectively using the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.